Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. So students, today we are going to start our chapter 4, that is water, a wonderful liquid. So water, a wonderful liquid. So students, in this chapter we are going to study about water. So let's begin. The things we see around us can be classified into 3 categories. So students, all the things that we see around us can be classified into 3 different categories. Okay. So these 3 different categories are solid, liquid and gases. So all the things will be classified accordingly. Okay. According to 3 things, that is solid, liquid or gas. The things will be either solid or liquid or gas. So, substances like water, oil, petrol, kerosene, milk and spirit are liquids. So, all the things like water, oil, petroleum, kerosene, milk and spirit will be liquid. Okay students, these all will be liquid. Water is the most commonly used liquid. We all know that water is very commonly used liquid. Let us have a look at some of the properties of water. So now we are going to look at the different properties of water. Some materials are soluble in water. So students, there are some materials that are soluble in water. That means that get dissolved in the water. But there are some materials that are not soluble in water. Now we are going to have a look on the same. So you see here. Take a test tube and fill 3/4 of it with water. Now this is a test tube and here you can see this much will be 3/4 and this much water is added to the test tube. Add half a spoonful of sugar to it. Then half spoonful of sugar is added to the water. Okay students. So shake the test tube well. Then the test tube is shake well. Okay, it is shaked. Then we find that the sugar has disappeared. So we all know that sugar will disappear in water. Okay, sugar is soluble. So after that, if we taste the water, it will taste sweet. So we all know that if we put sugar in water, it will get dissolved and the water will taste sweet. This is because the sugar has dissolved in it. It is very simple that the sugar has dissolved in the water. So, now we can say that sugar is soluble in water. So, student, it is very clear over here that sugar is soluble in water. You can see here sugar completely get dissolved. So now you take another test tube and fill 3/4 of it with water. Similarly, 3/4 of water is taken in a test tube. Here, up to here water is taken. So add half a spoonful of sand to it. After sugar, sand is added to the water. Okay. Half spoonful of sand is added to the water. Then the test tube is again shaked. Okay. Can you see the sand now? Can you see sand in the test tube? Yes student, you can see the sand. No, the sand has settled down at the bottom of the test tube. So all you can see over here that this sand has dissolved, whereas here sugar cannot be seen in the test tube. So sand does not dissolve in water. So it is clear from this experiment that sand do not dissolve in water. So we say that sand is insoluble in water. So after this experiment, we can say that sand is insoluble in water. So I think it's clear up to here. Now you see the next line, that is substances soluble in water. There are some substances given over here which are soluble in water. That is the milk, detergent powder, common salt, sugar are soluble in water. So all these things like milk, detergent powder, common salt and sugar, if you add in water, all this will get dissolved in water. Okay students, they will not settle down. They will rather dissolve. Okay students. So substances insoluble in water are like sand, wax, glass, oil, and kerosene are insoluble in water. So we all know that sand is not soluble in water. It will just get settled down. Okay. Likewise, wax also, it will not mix in the water. Like you can see candle, it will not get mixed in water. It will just settle. So glass also, it will not mix in water. Oil also, it will not mix in water, and kerosene will also not mix in water. So all these substances are insoluble in water. So all these substances are insoluble in water. So students, I think it's clear up to here. So tomorrow we are going to continue the class. Thank you.